Mike the Disgruntled Mechanic here. I've been going to make this video for a while, and I just decided it's time to do it. What I wanted to do was I wanted to give a thank you, a little bit of a shout out to OEMTOOLS. They sent me a swag bag at Christmas. I haven't got time to show it. I'm going to do that now. They just sent this to me out of the blue. I really appreciate it. So I figured the least I could do is show it to them. So it was a present. I'm just showing you the stuff. I haven't used any of it yet because I wanted to make a video first. So I'm going to do that. One of the things they sent me was some Viper Flex powder-free nitrile gloves. 24996 XL. They're, of course, XL is the extra large. I can't wait to try these, see how well they work. The other thing that they sent that I thought was pretty cool was there's also a holder for them. Magnetic. Slide them down in. Holds them in there. I thought that was pretty cool. Ow, about took my finger off. But we got that up there now. The other thing that I got is a battery analyzer. If you guys would like for me to probably do a review on some of this stuff as I use it, I think that's only fair. Part number 24359, OEMTOOLS. Digital battery starter and charging system analyzer. You know, I'll give it a shot, show you guys how well it works. OEMTOOLS 3X Power Pack 24672. Retractable hanging hook, durable for shop, garage, and outdoor use. Water resistant casing, illuminate, and it also has a 40 peak amp jump start up to 8 times with full charge. So we got those in there. Shows some other things. You can charge your phone off of it. What would be cool to me, and maybe this would do it, is I'd like to see this be a battery keeper type deal where you could plug this into your cigarette lighter for when you unhook the battery on vehicles to keep the radio settings and all the other stuff that you have to. That'd be pretty cool. I don't see this on here, but works as a flashlight. I'll show it when I use it. I didn't break these out yet. Sets of magnetic bowls. Looks pretty interesting. I'll be ready to try those out. What else do we have in here? Let's see. These are for the magnetic socket tray. Like I said, I haven't put any of this together, but they got little slide pins in here, apparently. I don't know, I'll have to show this. I'll have to show you guys when I put this together. Part number is 22389. Like I said, I just wanted to show the stuff in the bag because I thought it was pretty cool that they sent it. There's little screw-on tops front of things. Yeah, I'll just show it sometime later because we're not going to figure it out now. The other thing that they sent that I thought was pretty neat was Automotive plier set, 22645, OEMTOOLS, of course. You got your different types of pliers there. Diagonal pliers, 8-inch long needle nose pliers, lineman pliers, and speed fit pliers, jaw capacity. So pretty happy to get those. Can always use more pliers, you know, at least I can anyhow. And of course the bag itself, 24543 OEMTOOLS pouch, different compartments for, you know, it's like one of the regular, you know, any of the pouches that you see with all the outside pockets for things. You got pockets on the end. You got a Velcro pocket on the other side. Places in there for pens and stuff. Well, that's pretty neat. You can do that so you can get in there better. I like that. And of course, you got pockets on the inside. So all in all, you know, it's a couple dollars worth of tools. that they were nice enough to send me, and I really appreciate that. So once again, if you would put down in the comments if you'd like to see a review on these tools as I use them, I can do that. That's fine. So anyhow, thank you, OEM Tools. This is Mike the Disgruntled Mechanic saying, just remember, if you can get somebody else to do it, you're probably better off. See ya. Thanks for watching.
Oh, you dirty, rotten bull! How could you break off? You dirty, rotten mother! Oh, dirty, rotten! How dare you break? Oh, I can't believe it broke off! Not again! Oh, man alive! Son of a... Oh, I can't believe it broke off! Jesus! No wonder I'm the disgruntled mechanic!